Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share this very easy one-stroke nail design with you. I'm using gel paints to create this design, but you can of course use acrylic paints. So first I'm going to create a gradient on my nail. I'm taking a flat brush. It is size 4 I think, and one part of the brush is dipped in purple paint and one in white, and then I'm directly blending the colors on my nail. I will flash cure it and then repeat the process so that the colors become more intense. I want darker colors on the side and lighter color in the center. That's why I'm changing the angle of my brush while making the gradient, as you can see here. So my gradient is almost done. I will cure it and top coat it, and then I'll start making one stroke design. So now let's start making one stroke. For this you will need a small brush which should be angular, and then first I'm dipping it in the clear polish to make it moist. In case you're using acrylic paints, you can moist it in the water, and once your brush is nicely moist, remove all the excess water and then dip your brush in half black and half white paint. White should be on the outer side, that is on the pointy side, and then blend it nicely so a gradient is created on the brush. So let's start painting our flower. It will be a 3-leaved flower, and to make the leaf, all you have to do is push the brush in the V shape, you can say inverted V shape, and make small strokes. Don't go in like one swipe, just make little strokes. If you can see here what I'm doing, I'm just making very tiny strokes, and first I went up, then I'm coming down. So you can just follow the steps and you will be able to do this. And do not worry if it doesn't look perfect the first time. You can always go back and fix whatever mistakes you have done. So I'm going to flash cure this first layer, and I will make one more layer, and then you will see that it looks quite perfect. So here I'm painting another layer, and I wanted more white on the outer side, so I just added more white color on the tip of my brush, and now this looks perfect to me. And once I finish this, I will cure it, and then I will make another 2 petals using the same technique. And friends, I have kept the speed of my video slow so that you can see how I'm making each stroke, and it will be easy for you to follow. And once you learn this particular stroke, it will be so easy. You can create a lot of designs. Even you can paint leaves of flowers using this same technique. So this petal is now complete, and with the same method I will make one more petal. Now I'm going to increase a little bit speed because I hope you have understood the strokes by now. So I will just speed the video a little bit so that little time is saved. And off camera I painted one more flower just below this flower, but the technique was same. And once it's done, it's time to add some more details to our flowers. Though this step is completely optional, but it's better if you do it because your flowers will look more perfect. Here I'm adding some more elements to make this nail art look prettier and also to fill the spaces. So once you are happy, cure your nail and then top coat it, and you are done. So guys, this is the finished look, and here is one more example. You can see that I have added 3 more leaves on the side. So with this, the tutorial comes to an end, and if you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, let me know in the comment. And if you try this out, then don't forget to share with me by tagging me in your recreations. I will be very happy to see them. And yeah, I will be back with new tutorials very soon. Till then, take care, goodbye, and stay safe. Bye.